There is a person named Ram. He got information that the price of eggs is going to increase in 2 days. Suddenly, he got an idea. He thought, I can buy a lot of eggs now and sell them for a higher price after 2 days. So he invested 3 rupees and bought 2000 eggs for a total of 6000 rupees. After 2 days, as Ram expected, the price of an egg rises to 4 rupees. Following his plan, he sold 2000 eggs for 4 rupees each and he made 8000 rupees. He initially invested 6000 rupees, sold eggs for 8000 rupees and made a profit of 2000 rupees. In the same story, replace the eggs with stocks. There is a person named Ram. He got information about the price of one stock. Let's say ITC stock price is going to increase in a few days. Suddenly, he got an idea. He checked the stock price and it's 400 rupees. He purchased 100 shares for a total of 40,000 rupees. After few days, as Ram expected, the price of the ITC stock rises to 450 rupees. Following his plan, he sold 100 shares for 450 rupees and he made 45,000 rupees. He initially invested 40,000 rupees, sold shares for 45,000 rupees and he made a profit of 5,000 rupees. This strategy of buy, hold and sell the stock in the stock market is known as swing trading. In the Indian stock market, there are more than 4,000 stocks are available. Let's assume these stocks are like eggs and tomatoes. You can buy them at lower prices, hold them for few days and then sell them at higher prices to make a profit through swing trading. But remember, you not only make profit, there is a possibility for losses also. So, to find stock price movement, it's important to learn technical analysis. I am going to upload a lot of technical analysis video on this channel. So, please subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.